I'm trying to cut down on sweets, but I guess a little snack can't hurt. I'll take 6 donuts, 4 cupcakes and a pretzel. Hi there, friends. Do you know what the best part of your planet is? All the tasty foods you have to eat. On Infinity 5 where I'm from, we recharge using special energy cells. But since crash landing on Earth, I've had to get my energy from food just like you. Here's how it works, the food you eat travels down to your stomach. Then it gets transformed into energy that you use to run and jump and fly all over the universe. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot that humans can't fly yet. I hope you learn soon so we can explore the whole universe together. Uh-oh. It looks like I won't be able to fly either if I keep eating so many treats. Maybe you can help write the name of some healthy foods I can try in the comments.